Ever wonder how some homes feel straight out of the future? Today, we're uncovering 30 insanely cool smart home gadgets that do things you didn't even know were possible. From lights that think for you to gadgets that make life effortlessly easier, your home is about to get a serious upgrade. Hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment for what you want to see next on HomeGuard Tech. Let's jump right in. Hydro Spa Bath System. Want to turn your bathtub into a full-on spa without spending a fortune? This Hydro Spa Bath System does exactly that. It delivers a powerful stream of bubbles and water jets designed to target sore muscles with precision. With two customizable modes, you can either enjoy invigorating jets for an energy boost or combine them with calming bubbles for the ultimate relaxation session. Just submerge the intake and let the system work its magic. The latest version packs up to 20% more power than previous models, giving you a professional spa experience right at home. Whether you've had a long day at work, a tough workout, or just need a quiet moment, this system makes every bath a luxury experience. It's effortless to use, easy to clean, and perfect for those who crave daily comfort and rejuvenation. Smart kitchen faucet with dual waterfall and digital display. This isn't your ordinary faucet. With dual waterfall features, a digital temperature display, and a built-in cup washer, this faucet transforms your kitchen workflow. The wide curtain flow rinses dishes quickly, while the pull-out faucet gives unmatched flexibility for cleaning hard-to-reach corners. Integrated cutting boards add chef-level convenience, turning dish prep into a fast, enjoyable process. Beyond function, it's designed to save time and reduce mess, making cleanup something you'll actually look forward to. This is perfect for home chefs, busy parents, or anyone who wants a practical yet stylish kitchen upgrade that truly improves daily life. Portable mini washing machine. Laundry day has never been this convenient. This mini washing machine is lightweight, portable, and perfect for quick loads anywhere. Simply drop in clothes from the top, add water and detergent, and let it spin. It scrubs from all angles, making it ideal for baby clothes, delicates, or daily quick washes. No plumbing? No problem. It's designed for apartments, dorms, RVs, or tiny homes. You get clean clothes fast, without the hassle of a full-size machine. With this gadget, you can skip the laundromat and manage laundry anywhere, anytime. Portable USB-C monitor. Need a second screen on the go? This portable USB-C monitor sets up in seconds with just one cable. It turns any workspace into a dual-screen powerhouse for editing, multitasking, or streaming. The crisp 108p display ensures clarity, and built-in buttons let you fine-tune brightness, RGB, and contrast. The kickstand and vertical mode options make it flexible for any setup, while its lightweight design ensures you can move it room to room effortlessly, whether working from home, traveling, or attending online meetings. This monitor brings productivity without the bulk of a traditional setup. Smart LED bulbs with voice control. Lighting that actually listens to you, that's what these smart LED bulbs do. Millions of colors, cozy whites, and full voice control let you set the mood for any activity. Schedule routines, dim the lights for movie night, or brighten them for productivity, all from your phone or smart assistant. Installation is a breeze, no rewiring needed, just screw them in and go. They integrate seamlessly into smart home setups, making your lighting fully automated and customizable. For anyone who values ambience, convenience, and energy efficiency, these bulbs are a must-have. Shifting sand art display. Bring tranquility and motion into any room with this shifting sand art display. Each flip transforms the sand into flowing dunes, ocean waves, or rising peaks, creating a dynamic, calming landscape every time. It's more than decor, it's a stress reliever, a centerpiece, and a conversation starter all in one. Whether on your desk, coffee table, or shelf, this gadget turns ordinary spaces into artistic havens. No two scenes are ever the same, so it's endlessly mesmerizing and perfect for anyone who wants both style and serenity in their home. All-terrain rolling cooler with drink dispenser, tailgates, beach trips. And camping just got an upgrade with this all-terrain rolling cooler. With rugged wheels, built-in drink dispenser, and capacity for up to 72 cans or 12 upright bottles of wine. It's designed for maximum convenience. Top-tier ice retention keeps drinks cold for hours, while the integrated bottle opener makes refreshment effortless. Perfect for family outings, parties, or solo adventures. This cooler combines durability, style, and functionality in one portable package. Lithium-powered electric riding mower. Mowing has never been this smooth or quiet. This lithium-powered riding mower delivers 28 horsepower of clean, electric power, cutting up to an acre on a single charge. Recharging takes just 90 minutes, and one-handed joystick steering makes it fun and precise. With LED headlights, an LCD screen displaying runtime and battery, adjustable cutting height, and USB port, it brings modern tech to an otherwise mundane chore. A perfect mix of power, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Wall-mounted music boxing machine. Want a workout that actually feels fun? This wall-mounted music boxing machine turns punches into a rhythm game. Sync it with your playlist via Bluetooth. Follow the glowing lights, and improve reflexes while getting a full-body workout. With 9-speed settings and built-in strike tracking, it's great for exercise, stress relief, or friendly competitions. It's not just a fitness tool, it's an interactive entertainment experience for your home gym. Foldable food warming mat. Keep your meals at the perfect temperature with this foldable food warming mat. With 7 adjustable heat settings and up to 99 hours of continuous warmth, it's ideal for parties, family dinners, or meal prep. It fits dishes of various sizes and materials, and built-in safety features like child lock and auto shut-off make it worry-free. Say goodbye to lukewarm food and hello to consistently hot meals without constant monitoring. 2-in-1 foot and calf massager. Long day on your feet? This 2-in-1 massager wraps your feet, ankles, and calves in soothing heat, shiatsu rollers, and air compression. Flip it closed to double as a heated ottoman, perfect for working, relaxing, or gaming. Adjustable angles and washable liners make it easy to share, while targeted massage relieves tension and improves circulation. It's essentially a personal spa for your home, blending comfort, convenience, and technology. Flip desk clock. Timekeeping never looked this satisfying. This flip desk clock combines vintage charm with modern functionality. With every passing minute, the numbers flip smoothly, giving a tactile and visually appealing way to tell time. The AM/PM indicator keeps things clear, and the compact, stylish design fits perfectly on any desk, shelf, or bedside table. Functional, decorative, and oddly hypnotic, it's more than a clock. It's a statement piece for your space. Levitating plant pot. Add a touch of magic to your room with this levitating plant pot. Using magnetic force, the pot floats in midair while slowly spinning, creating a mesmerizing effect. Perfect for small plants or decorative greenery, it doubles as a futuristic centerpiece. The full-spectrum LED lighting ensures plants thrive, while the hypnotic spin makes it an aesthetic wonder for any shelf, desk, or corner. Science meets art with this simple yet mesmerizing gadget. Solar-powered step lights. Illuminate your walkways and stairs effortlessly with these solar-powered step lights. They absorb sunlight during the day and automatically light up at dusk, providing a warm, inviting glow without any wiring or maintenance. Rain, snow, or shine, these lights withstand all conditions. Perfect for safety and ambience, they enhance your outdoor spaces while being eco-friendly and convenient. Smart Shoe Display Box. Give your sneakers the spotlight they deserve. This Smart Shoe Display Box features built-in LEDs that illuminate your collection, making them look like museum exhibits. Open the tray with a button or remote, and the display smoothly slides out. Stack multiple units to create a glowing sneaker wall. Whether for collectors or casual enthusiasts, this gadget merges style, tech, and convenience effortlessly. Cordless Pasta Maker. Bring restaurant-quality pasta home effortlessly with this cordless pasta maker. From shaping to pressing, it handles every step with a push of a button. Charges via USB-C in for hours and produces up to 100 bowls on a single charge. Portable, mess-free, and user-friendly, it's perfect for indoor cooking, picnic setups, or outdoor gatherings. Say goodbye to sore arms and messy counters. Smart hydroponic indoor garden. Grow fresh herbs and vegetables with almost zero effort using this smart hydroponic garden. Just pop in the pods, fill the tank, and let the built-in app handle lighting, watering, and reminders. Full-spectrum LEDs mimic sunlight to promote healthy growth. Space for 12 pods and near-zero maintenance make it perfect for urban apartments, kitchen counters, or anyone wanting a green thumb on autopilot. Smart portable touchscreen monitor. Turn any room into a personal workspace with this smart portable touchscreen monitor. Stream, browse, or run apps directly from the built-in Play Store. It's touchscreen, portable, and battery-powered for hours of uninterrupted use. Tilt, swivel, or roll it around. Perfect for cooking, workouts, or entertainment. This device combines productivity, portability, and modern tech for any lifestyle. RGB epoxy resin table. Transform your room with this RGB epoxy resin table. Crafted from resin and wood, it glows softly with built-in RGB lights. Touch and motion sensors make it interactive, creating a magical vibe in your living space. Functional as a coffee or side table while serving as a stunning centerpiece, it blends furniture, arts, and tech seamlessly. Perfect for anyone wanting a futuristic yet cozy aesthetic, moon-themed all-in-one desk gadget. Meet the ultimate desk companion, a moon-themed all-in-one gadget that combines a lamp, wireless charger, speaker, and digital clock. The built-in RGB LEDs set the perfect ambience, while the wireless charger keeps your phone powered. Play music through the integrated speaker or use it as a stylish night lamp. This compact, multifunctional gadget declutters your desk while adding a unique, cosmic aesthetic. Comfort Command Center Bed. This isn't just a bed, it's a comfort command center. Complete with a mini fridge, microwave, pull-out laptop table, built-in lights, drawers, and even transforms into a sofa. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Whether working, gaming, or binge-watching, everything you need is within arm's reach. The bed combines luxury, practicality, and smart organization, making it perfect for small apartments, studios, or anyone wanting a high-tech relaxation setup. LED display screen with quick lock system. Upgrade your visuals with this LED display screen. Featuring a dual quick lock system, it can be assembled or disassembled in seconds without tools. Highly waterproof and rugged, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor setups. Sync multiple screens seamlessly for a large display setup. Ideal for presentations, gaming, or entertainment. Quick, durable, and versatile, it's a must-have for anyone wanting a professional quality visual experience at home. Smart coffee warmer and mug holder. Never sip lukewarm coffee again with this smart coffee warmer. Adjustable heat settings keep your drink at the perfect temperature from 130 to 176 F. A built-in timer lets you customize heating duration, and the LED display shows real-time temperature. Compact and safe, it fits almost any cup or mug. Keep your beverages warm during work, gaming, or study sessions without interruptions. Wireless charging smart lamp. This wireless charging smart lamp combines ambient lighting with functionality. Charge your phone while enjoying customizable RGB light settings and app-controlled features. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study areas, it doubles as a stylish desk accessory. With adjustable brightness and a modern design, it enhances both convenience and aesthetics in any space. Foldable food warming mat. Serve meals at the perfect temperature with this foldable food warming mat. Adjustable heat settings and long runtime keep dishes warm without drying them out. Safe for all types of plates and materials, it also features a child lock and auto shut-off. Ideal for large family dinners, parties, or buffets, it ensures every bite is as good as the first. Flip desk clock with vintage vibes. Add nostalgic charm to your workspace with this flip desk clock. Each minute flips seamlessly, providing a satisfying mechanical motion while keeping time accurately. The sleek design fits any desk, shelf, or bedside table, combining functionality with decoration. It's a subtle yet captivating addition to any room, Conclusion: each of these 30 crazy Amazon smart home gadgets isn't just cool, they solve real problems, upgrade your daily life, and bring a touch of futuristic convenience to your home. From smart lighting and levitating plant pots to wireless chargers and multifunction beds, these gadgets make your space smarter, more fun, and effortless to manage. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of the gadget game, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and check all the product links in the description to grab your favorites before they sell out. And don't forget to watch the next video on your screen for even more jaw-dropping smart home gadgets that you won't believe exist.